So you're going down the road and all of a sudden you see a truck going at you like this. What do you do? Yes, this actually happened on March 23rd. I think this was 2023, not 2024. If I'm wrong, quote me wrong and tell me where I'm wrong about when this event happened. But a wrong-way truck driver outside of Nevada on March 23 went on the wrong side of the road and killed 3 motorcyclists. And at this point, if you watch the whole video, which I'm not going to show in this video, is that those motorcyclists pretty much had no time to react. Claude Rafiki, out of Michigan, age 29 years old, was a truck driver. It looks like pulling a drive-in, probably drive-in, not sure. Was accused of 3 counts of killing these 3 people because driving the wrong side of the road. Now, to make things worse, he said that the wind pushed him over and that's the way he was driving. If you watch the video in full, it does not look like the wind is pushing him around or everything. All the other vehicles are driving fine. If the wind was pushing him around a whole bunch all over the road, you would not be driving so slow. There's something wrong with you. Now, the reason why it took so long for it to get to the courts is because he barely spoke in English. Yes, we got another driver or a truck driver that did not speak English, and the language that he spoke was a Kinyarwanda, English out of Africa or something like that. So yes, he's not native to America. He does not know how to speak English very well, and that's why the courts were delayed until they found him. Now, they did charge him, and he is set for his bail is at $500,000, $500,000. To make things worse, one of the people that actually died was a 22 years old on a motorcycle, and he was just celebrating that he's starting trucking. I guess he got a CDL. I'm not sure the 100% thing, but he was starting a trucking career, and he was celebrating his 22nd birthday in the mountains in Nevada. Now, the truck driver did say, Rafiki, I think his name is, again, if I'm pronouncing it right, say that the wind pushed him over, and the National Weather Service did say wind gusts could reach 55 miles an hour, but in the video, you could clearly see that the wind was not a factor. And also, when he got inspected at the accident scene by the officers, his eyes were bloodshot. He was under some kind of influence, and apparently it's the medicine that he was taking to go to take care of his seizures. Yes, it was a truck driver having seizures. I'm sorry, but if you're having seizures, you're not supposed to be trucking out there. And to make things worse, there's a rumor going out that his medical card expired a couple days before the incident, so he didn't even get himself reevaluated again with how he should have been in order to be determined if he was safe to go on the road. I personally think this guy deserves what he get. I mean, I hope it never comes and bites me in the back. In the back. But here's the thing: you deserve what you get for, and sometimes you make dumb decisions in trucking. That's what happens to you. So basically, don't do dumb stuff in trucking. Always do the right thing.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a Temp in the 6 Series.